nandito ako sa Grand Central para mag-vlog on the jackpot. Come on. Oh, 6 na naman. Are you kidding me, guys? Oh, come on. Oh, muntik na sa mega game. Oh, stay in there. Oh no! Go to the 30. He gotta go to the 30, but it's nice. Come on. Oh, muntik na rin. He grabs me. It's not bad. 25. 8, galing na. 15, galing na. Di pa ako nakaka-jackpot ah. Come on, mega game. Oh, muntik na. Where is gonna go? Oh, yun, no. 10. Oh, Lord. Oh, he bounced right in. May bonus! Bonus lang. I got a bonus pero 100 tickets pa lang.
Wala na sa kabila. Ayusin ka lang.
Oh! Mega game! Let's see! Jackpot! Wow! Jackpot! Oh no! He's gotta go inside! No. Jackpot! 1 jackpot pa lang to, guys ah. Look at that! Jackpot! Oh my God! My underwear. 2 lang. Oh, 50. You give me a 2, you give me a 50. Wow. One jackpot mo lang ah. Dapat gusto ko madami. Oh, muntik na. Wag. 15. Jackpot pa lang. Isa pa lang, di ba? I owe 1 more. $30, $25. 2. Come on. 3. 6. 2. Game. Wow! I hope I get 2 jackpots. Come on. Yes! Oh my God! Over 1,000 tickets over this game. Oh! Muntik na naman. 2 pesos na. Look at that, guys. Can you comment down below? How can I get it this for more? Hi guys! Hi Bordeos! Oh, muntik na. Come. Look at that. Wow! How can you get past? Walang ticket! Walang ticket pa! Walang ticket! Walang ticket! Yan. Oo. Kinain yung 500 tickets ko. Oh, mega game. Can you make 3 jackpots? No! Tuwagan mo. 2 jackpots only. Come on. Yung 500 ko. Kinain yung 500 tickets ko. Bumilis nawala. Bumilis nawala. Sira din dyan.
Wait ako ah. May assist ako dito sa papalit ko.
I need to post the video.